Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Barclays Company's headquarters center. Barclays Company is a British multinational investment bank and the financial services company that the headquarters based in London. Apart from investment banking, the Barclays is organized into four core businesses: the personal banking, corporate banking, wealth management, and the investment management. Barclays traces its origins to the goldsmith and the banking businesses established in the city of London in 1690. James Barclays, who just becoming the partner in this business in 1736. The company and that the bank of your including kind of your several bankings in the London and the English province, who just including that the Backhouses banks and the Gurney banks. The united as a joint stock bank under that the name of your Barclays and the corporated over that the following decade, and that the Barclays expanded to become a nationwide bank. Barclays developed the bank, the first cash dispenser, and the Barclays has made numerous corporate acquisitions, who just including of London provincials and the southwestern centers. Now the Barclays has made kind of the sectors and that the types of the types of the company. It's a public limited company, and Barclays has a primary listed on the London Stock Exchange, and it is the constituent of the FTSE, the 100 indexes. It has a secondary listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The Barclays was the most powerful transactional corporation in the terms of the ownership and those corporated controlling and the global financial stability and the market competitions, with the AXA and the State Street corporations stocking that the second and the third position of your respectively. When it's the company its opening, and now it's the 21st century of this company work, as the Barclays closed the 171 branches in the UK, and many of them the ruler committees. The Barclays called itself the Big Bank, but this name was quickly giving a low profile after a series of your embarrassing PR smooths. Barclays and the CIBC agreed to combine their Caribbean operators to establish a joint venture company known as the First Caribbean International Bank. And the Barclays brought the American credit card company of your Juniper Bank from CIBC. The rebranded it as the Barclays Bank Delaware. So guys, if you like this video, then please like and share and keep supporting to my channel. So thank you guys.